tears in my eyes, incredible pain. Memories are passing in review. Impossible thoughts, things make it improbable. I will forget inedible memories of sweet.
I don't know the chords, Mom. I'm sorry.
Okay, what the chords you know?
Okay, hold on, Mom. Let me hear it.
Impossible thought, things make it improbable. I will forget incredible memories of sweet, lovable you.
We'll try it one more time and just do the chorus.
Yeah. Okay. You sing this part. You're back again.
I don't. Mom, you're adding so much more. I don't know. I'm like just learning it by my ear right now.
It sounds great.
Tears in my eyes, incredible pain in my heart, indescribable memories are passing in review. Impossible though things make it improbable, I will forget indelible memories of sweet, lovable you.
That's good.
You're back again. I'll let you in. Although I'm only seeking pictures from the past, those arms are not real, but somehow I feel. I've just closed my eyes and maybe it will last. Invisible tears in my eyes, incredible pain in my heart, indescribable memories are passing in review. Impossible thought, things make it impossible. I will forget indelible memories of sweet, lovable you. Indelible memories of sweet, lovable you.
Sorry, I
That's lovely. That's lovely. That's
Thank you so much.
4.5 minutes.
Thank you.